Hey PHS, I'm Rebecca. Welcome to The Roar. In today's episode, we have a look at FASFA, archery, and a look back at HOCO. This and more on The Roar. High School's outdoor homecoming dance was a huge success. Lots of students came and enjoyed their night in Hollywood. Here's a quick look back of the night. Tomorrow, Saturday, October 30th, there will be an archery clinic in the PHS gym from 1 to 4 p.m. Costumes are encouraged, and don't forget to bring a completed waiver. Big win for our JROTC drill team. Congrats on your outstanding performance in Gulf Breeze. Our cadets brought home 9 trophies and lots of PHS pride. To seniors that missed the ACT work keys, makeup testing will be Wednesday, November 3rd. Are you a senior that needs help with filling out the FASFA? Well, you're in luck, because next Thursday, November 4th, representatives will be here for the FASFA workshop. They'll be here from 5 to 6:30 p.m. to answer any questions regarding free application for federal student aid. That's all we have for now. Here's Wesley with sports.
Hey PHS, Wesley here with your sports update. This week our Lions are coming off a 36-9 victory against Jeff Davis. This win brings our record to 6-3, as well as clinching a spot in the playoffs. QB E.J. Owsley went 17 for 17 with 2 touchdown passes. Check out this touchdown pass of his.
Well, the plan is going to be, we're treating this week like a playoff game. It is a playoff caliber team. Like you said, they're hosting the game, so they wouldn't be hosting the game if they wasn't credible enough to do it. So we're going to treat it like a playoff game, and we're going to prepare for it, as if we're going to prepare for a playoff game. So everything we do throughout the week, is going to be more mental reps, and we're going to have a physical day throughout the week like we always do, but those mental reps are going to be crucial going into this game so we can prepare for it. And so when we get to the playoff game, if we saw something that we need to change or we didn't like, well, there are no do-overs in the playoffs. So now we get a chance to do it over if we didn't like it. So, but that's going to definitely be our approach, mental focus and getting our guys understanding how important it is to mentally, get it done and not necessarily banging on each other and being so physical early in the week. We can get it done mentally and still be effective.
Our Lions travel to Huntsville to take on Bob Jones in the final regular season game. Playoffs start next week with an away game against Theodore. Our bowling team played against Dothan and Valley on Thursday. JV will be in action next Thursday against Marbury at Bama Lanes. Basketball season is coming up. Our Lions tip off on next Saturday with the JV girls and 9-3 boys taking on Wetumpka in the PHS gym. That's all we have for today.
Another milestone was checked off for our seniors this week with our senior panorama. Here's a look at some awesome photos we got. That's all we have for today. Join us next week for more news and sports. I'm Rebecca, and you just watched The Roar.